Hello everyone, in this video I will discuss very important tricks that you can use in Microsoft Word. So let's start. So first trick is to generate random text in Microsoft Word. For that you will use equals to rand, and here you will pass two variables, for example 4, 3, where 4 is the number of paragraphs and 3 is the lines in a particular paragraph. So press enter and you will see there are 4 paragraphs that have been generated. So there are 4 paragraphs, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and in every paragraph there are 3 lines. So you can try again, for example equals to rand 2, 3. It will generate 2 paragraphs with 3 lines in each paragraph. So you can see like this. So next trick is to insert lines, shortcut of inserting lines in Microsoft Word. So here I will first of all I will insert a thin line. For thin line you will use hyphen. So enter hyphen 3 times as you can see and press enter. So enter hyphen 3 times and press enter. You can see a line has been generated, a thin line has been generated. So it is a shortcut of inserting a thin line in Microsoft Word. If you want to insert a thick line, so for example if I write a thick line here, and then you will type underscore 3 times and then press enter, and you will see a thick line has been generated. So for thin line 3 times hyphen and then press enter, and for thick line 3 times underscore and then press enter. And if you want to use dotted line, then what you will do, you will use asterisk sign 3 times and press enter, and you can see a dotted line has been generated. So for asterisk and then press enter. So it is the shortcut of inserting lines in Microsoft Word. And if you want to insert 2 layer line, so let me write 2 layer line, then you will use equal to symbol 3 times and press enter, and you can see a 2 layer line has been generated. So for 2 layer line you will use equal to symbol 3 times and then press enter. And if you want to insert a 3 layer line, then you will use hash 3 times and then press enter, and you can see a 3 layer line has been inserted in Microsoft Word. So it's very simple. And if you want to insert, let me create another line. So for that you will use tilde symbol 3 times and press enter, and you can see this type of line in Microsoft Word. So next I will discuss how you can generate a different type of symbols in Microsoft Word. Next trick is, so for example if you want to use copyright symbol, then what will you do, left parenthesis C and right parenthesis, and you can see the copyright symbol. And for trademark symbol, what you will do, left parenthesis TM, and you can see the trademark symbol. Registered mark, if you want to use registered mark, then what you will do, for example if I write like this, computer and then left parenthesis R and then right parenthesis, you can see the registered mark. So this is the way of inserting symbols in Microsoft Word. And if you want to insert a smiley, So let me insert smiley. What will you do? Colon symbol and then right parenthesis. You can see the smiley, happy smiley. And if you want to insert, you can see the sad smiley also. So these are the important tricks that you can use in Microsoft Word. So let's start. If you want to insert a arrow, and then you will use less than sign and 2 times hyphens, and you can see the left arrow. For right arrow you will use 2 times hyphen and then enter, and you can see the right arrow. And if you want to insert a thick arrow, then you will use less than sign and double equal, and you can see the thick arrow. And if you want to insert a right thick arrow, then double equal sign and then greater than symbol. Very simple. And a double arrow, for example, if you want to use double arrow, then what you will do, you will simple use less than sign, double equal, and you will, for double arrow you will use less than, equal, greater than. So you can see the double arrow also in the Microsoft Word. And if you want to use bullets, if you want to use numbering, for example, if I write A, then press and okay, just wait, 1 space and then A, then B and then C. So you can see the numbering is generated automatically. And if you want to use bulleted list, for that you will use, let's say if you want to generate a bulleted list, then greater than sign and press enter, and you can see the bulleted list also. So this is shortcut of inserting bullets or inserting numbers in Microsoft Word. And if you want to use a smiley as a bullet, for example, so this is the smiley, and if I want to use this smiley as a bullet, then press tab and write anything. So you can see a smiley is being used as a bullet. So very simple. So next, let's create table in Microsoft Word using keys only. Very simple. For that you will use plus and then hyphen. So it will be your first column and then second column, and you can also set the width of the column. So this way you can create table and then press enter, and you can see the 4 columns have been generated. And if you want to insert new row, then simply press tab, go to the last column and then again press tab. You can see the next row has been generated, and go to the last and then again press tab, and this way you can generate as many rows as you want, and you can generate columns by using plus minus sign only. So you can create a table in Microsoft Word using keys only. So I will cover more tricks, more shortcuts of Microsoft Word in the coming lectures. Thank you for watching.